The process begins when a spore from the fungus lands on an ant's body. That spore penetrates the exoskeleton, spreading through the body and eventually reaching the brain. But instead of killing the ant immediately, the fungus has other plans. It releases neuroactive chemicals that interfere with the ant's nervous system, gradually taking control of its behavior. The infected ant leaves its colony and climbs up vegetation to a specific height, usually around 25 centimeters above the forest floor. There, it performs its final act, biting down onto a leaf or twig in what scientists call the death grip. Once secured, the ant dies, but the fungus lives on. Over the next few days, a stalk-like structure, the fungal fruiting body, emerges from the back of the ant's head or neck. This structure begins to release new spores into the environment, falling onto the forest floor where more ants might be passing by. In this way, the fungus uses a single host to position itself strategically, maximizing the chance of infecting others. It's a remarkable, if chilling, example of evolutionary adaptation,